Welcome to Sleek Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up a stunning mega menu for your store using Shopify Sleek theme, just like the one in the glossy demo. This will not only improve your store's navigation but also boost user experience. With the Sleek theme's sleek design, adding a mega menu is easier than ever, and we'll walk you through every step. Let's dive in. Start by creating the main menu. Head over to the menu setting in your store's dashboard. Here, create your main menu and add all the submenus you want to feature. Once everything looks good, click Save. This ensures your changes are stored and ready to use. Next, navigate to the theme editor. You can do this by clicking on Customize in your Shopify admin panel. From here, head to the header section. This is where your mega menu will come to life. Now, select the menu you created earlier from the drop-down. This connects your menu to the header, making it accessible for your customers. With the menu selected, let's start adding content to our mega menu. This is where the magic happens. Add 3 key blocks, the custom card, banner, and product list to customize your mega menu. Start with the custom card block. Custom cards are a great way to feature specific collections or categories in an eye-catching way. This block type lets you combine an image, a heading, and a short description, making it perfect for highlighting different product categories. Next, move to the banner block, add an image, a subheading, a catchy heading, and even a call to action button. Banners are a powerful visual tool to draw attention and convey a specific message. Finally, for the product list block, you'll want to select the collections and products that you want to showcase in the mega menu. This block is especially useful when you want to highlight trending items or featured products. Double-check the menu item field for each block to ensure everything is properly linked. You'll need to enter the exact name of the menu you created earlier. Once you've added all your content and customized the blocks to your liking, don't forget to click Save. This will apply all the changes, and your mega menu will be ready to go. And that's it. You've now got a polished, user-friendly mega menu that improves navigation and makes your store even more appealing to customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing your store.